Good day, everyone. I am Benjamin Cadorna, and this is
Gilbert.
and now we are explaining what our project is called the inductor.
So our miniature is all about inductor. To explain how we accomplish this, we simply disassembled a regular wood fan that was not functioning and remove a specific component, the inductor, from a trash shop next to Spinian Extension.
Also, in essence, an inductor is a conductor that has been twisted into a coil. When electricity flows into a coil from left to right, it creates a magnetic field around the conductor in a counterclockwise position. And the fundamental concept in behind the inductor, it can produce electricity by reviving an electromagnetic induction between 2 points of contact. Simply stated, magnetic field is primarily utilized in electricity motors to produce electricity rotation of magnetic fields under the supervision of mechanical and electrical engineering experts. Now, this is our ending of our video. I hope you understand everything and I hope you learned something today. And this is our project, the inductor, and I am Benjamin Cadorna, and this Gilbert Canubas now signing off.